Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, catch your one, you know. Liquor girl, don't go over the disrespect line.
Out under me dirty blood clot. Puss low blood clot me. Make more man blood clot do with married and she give him triple A. To no allow blood clot me and make the boy move on and live him life and allow me the fuck alone. I want to know. You did I make decision for me. You don't see me move on. You don't see the man no want blood clot me. How me pussy tongue for elastic man? Puss. Go look by your blood clot grandpitney them and go sorry for your grandpitney them. Don't, me not give a fuck about no one bumble blood clot grandpitney. When my blood clot act broke up, me no remember about grand blood clot pitney. So if you no want trick the blood clot code, me not trick the crowd. When my pussy stink, it stink. What the blood clot do no? I want blood clot me. I mean the only bitch where a man no want to a man betray. Low blood clot me and leave the man. Lord, the blood clot, man. Do you the mama, man? Yes, me shame you me. Every time I say you sit down and lap fracture, me just pray for you. Wanna leave me alone. Me not sad. Me happy. I'm joyful. And that's the God Almighty truth. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. If I that marriage take, it's my marriage. My blood clot marriage. And none of you can disown me from that. You hear that? You could have write, you could have tap, you could have keep congregation. You so much want to get up against one me. May I ask me again, you know. You so much want to get against me. Me not walk blood clot over here. So when you see me I run blood clot joke with L.L. Lewis and blood clot RT Bass, don't get this blood clot twist, it's bomber wall. You come sniff out me stinking pussy. And that time I over here. You hear that? When I'm a blood clot somebody, I get so much disrespect and so much defeat. I may pay money for blood clot over I may a yam head. I'm still blood clot, they are lonely. I am so lonely. I want nobody. Me no want no blood clot body, me alright. If me get a next blood clot man will make me happy tomorrow and he make me happy and him for deceive me, I go deceive me dirty blood clot. None of blood clot you can't tell me what to do. Me I live and I live and come suck out my blood clot nose hole. After I live more than blood clot me. Me I live better than enough of dirty blood clot. Me acknowledged by the fucking world. Me not take nothing easy. When I come sniff up me thinking blood clot arm and the dirty pussy we doing no want. Don't expire the rotten blood clot pussy. Me no want nobody like me. Cause me like my blood clot self. Me like my pussy bomber ass clot self. Puss low blood clot me. And I don't patronize my pussy tongue. Leave blood clot me. You come tell me how in my pussy steer. And what am I for doing? Watch a big rugger cowa blood clot pussy. Black is beauty, Puss. Find the beauty within yourself. Your big black beautiful self and leave me with the fuck alone with my copper blood clot color. Allow me. You fucking rude. Me tie down a dirty blood clot. Today Friday. Oh, me not even remember. I thought that Friday. On a low blood clot, me on a sit down. Go look on the owner blood clot contents and on a blood clot pitney them on a grabbing them on a dirty man on a auntie on a allow my blood clot life. And my life, me come over here, come talk about why you not hate me. You not hate me because I'm a plane. The blood clot here come cheer up here, your dirty blood. Let me, you know want blood clot get 5 DNA for test for 5 blood clot pitney and they got me dead blood clot pitney and DNA here too. All my blood clot wish you know in her. Me I keep my party on in all my wish. I tell me where me I wish say. Yes, me know me is the only blood clot bitch on God earth. The only drunkard tear dead meat. The only dog will walk and lick pussy. The only blood clot goat with a meh. I mean the only blood clot cow will buck. I mean the only blood clot butterfly will fly. And allow me dirty nasty blood clot. Me have enough fun because nothing so not mad me. Low blood clot me. Leave do we live in blood clot life. On the strong on the fret about my all. On another thing say me a human too. Every blood clot week. No blood clot. Book me. On look me. But no one took blood clot me to the grave. Allow me. If my hungry, me not blood clot tell you. If my pussy tongue have conqueror, me no. Low blood clot me. Me have enough for you now. Low blood clot Momo and do it. Say me and doing it there. Doing I must have somebody. You know, you think I did somebody who have hurt me? Let me tell you know what hurt me. Oh, the man betray me and stab me in my back like me was nothing, no time, no time. That's what hurt me. Not blood clot, Momo. Me dying for man dope, Momo. As whole hand. Oh, blood clot me. 50 years me the pan got hurt before doing in my life. You gotta tell me what did happen in my marriage when none of blood clot and not even doing blood clots if no know what did happen in my marriage. Cause him just married to me forgive me that wish. Him never give a flying fuck. And it's my wish. Until the day no kill me nasty bleeding blood clot. I will forever honor. In a God eyes. I make a commitment. For better blood clot rest. None of you can turn me in a no curse. I'm a person I got blood clot, see, cause me's not the worst. What the fuck gonna feel like? One of the great blood clot, when you come to have and Queenie rob enough people. Who the blood clot me rob? The shop? Me you gonna rob somebody? Me no rob no blood clot body cause my heart can't do certain things. You tell people say you rob people Puss. Where the blood clot you come draw allegation and look blood clot views. Puss! I may have to come and make me be a blood clot knife with my and blood clot visor. I get followers. Attention come is a queen. I'm set the blood clot foundation. Me not take from people for the women this girl. You hear that? I build my blood clots if I want my arc out to no dirty blood clot. Me not have no time for keeping it on me. On allow blood clot me. Good luck to Momo and do it. Lord, the blood clot people them. Wonder why I raise up my blood clot brains after I say, my calm and nice. Me get over my husband. Me get over my relationship. Me get over so the man hate me and despise me. But the blood clot, me could have go back this and kill myself or go back this for somebody when you know blood clot blind, the man there Canada and me dead. England and Jamaica. I ask him this for the righteous and now him no want to see me and me no want to see him. What a fucking problem. If there's a problem, him don't me know that problem. You gonna tell me Queenie for this, Queenie for love blood clot me. Me enjoy every moment of the blood clot dirty life. Cause there was nice time. There was beautiful time. And there was lovely blood clot time. And who want this one that can, this one because them not feel it. And them not experience it. Move on a dirty blood clot. Long live Queen Lady Gangster. And good luck to Momo and do it. You know I'm proud of? When him they carry my name to Momo and tell me if I call Momo the night. I say, what me I call Momo for? Because you say the people them say Momo are skin out for me. I say, me not call Momo. I'm busy with blood clot, you know. A time tell. So now I make a mockery on a blood clot. If you don't care, make mockery on me. Because that's my expired goods. And when you carry rubbish at Riverton, there's people at Riverton that might find use it. Everything serve them own blood clot purpose. May I live my blood clot life and may I get acknowledgement. One cocoa full blood clot basket. Everybody have to live. Momo have to live. Do you have to live? And me definitely have to live. Wanna get over it. Cause it not sexy to me. It not cute to me. I don't give a fuck. See I like how him say me can't go back the road. Momo is the next blood clot bitch. Where him like her throat. Each to them own. Some man like your blood clot throat, some like your nose, some like your eyes, some like your ears. You can't grudge a girl for what somebody like them for. No move on a dirty blood clot or accept it. Or only not accept it. It's not cute. It's not sexy. It's real. When you wake up and smell the blood clot coffee and stop fooling yourself. Cause me Queen you not fool. When you saw my face fat and juicy, me ask you know. If you not, right now, I'm think like down a blood clot coronation market. Think. You saw my face juicy, a blessing that. You saw my ear grow back, growth. Wake up. Uno in a delusional. Uno obsessed. Uno no know. If you not for accept what going on or not, well, you no need for blood clot accept it because I don't for no marriage. And me accept it. And it's peaceful. What the blood clot to work two ways. Wriggle me diggle, wriggle my blood clot that and a but do it say for one of the pity. Me not give blood clot jacket, me too blood clot trouble. I me never be a fucker box a little bit. And all who want be fucking licky by the box. Right blood clot now, I'm glad me single and lonely. Me feel good. When the blood clot now come straight, me pin them and I call me pin them name. Me pin them know me is a drunker when me ready for tear blood clot didn't meet me tear it. I should know when them know so when Sunday come me turn headman blood clot drunker. And them know when me ready me is a peeled blood clot drunker. And when me is a drunker we draw breaks, me draw blood clot breaks. None of blood clot no can frame me. And none of them can upset my back. Leave the man and him woman and stop blood clot antagonize me. I don't care. And all if I wanted to care. Me care and tear when me think somebody is near. The man far from him, mind the far from him, heart the far from him, soul the far from blood clot me. Una do the logics, una dance and dark and illiterate. Una idiot. One of the things I love blood clot do it more than myself. And I'm mad no blood clot. I rough and tough. I mean I ride and die. I'm a believing I'm a vows and loyalty. Me never had got blood clot through in my button. Come in a week. Move on a dirty blood clot. A girl power me say. Stinking blood clot pussy. Stink like my pussy, my body and my arm. The whole I know want blood clot beat me for stinking blood clot dirty girl power. The whole we a girl power fool. The whole we woman we go to all we a girl blood clot power. On a bad mind for them little piece of dirty blood clot name, but you can't tap me from my strength. I'm a believer, I'm a faith. Me just in there said to my friend say, the thing where you fear in our life, worth always take you over. All of what them say my husband I go do. Him sit down. That was the biggest fear, my biggest fear. Cause me see it coming. I'm a sit down as an old fool, one day at a time, sweet Jesus. I hope it would have changed. I tried. My beautiful, my nice, move on a dirty, bad-minded, weak blood clot. On a strong blood clot, man, on a pick up one blood clot collection for the queen. And keep one blood clot celebration. I want them to know. I want to celebrate my dirty, nasty germs, the blood clot. All I want to do is join up. Join the blood clot up. Speed up. And blood clot condemn me. And the more I condemn me nasty, stinking blood clot. And the stronger I get to come sniff up my big grey dirty blood clot pussy. I want to blood clot, you know. Go pick up blood clot collection for you, queen. And throw me a blood clot party and count me dirty nasty blood clot. One of us is strong. True. Authentic woman. I want to blood clot, you know. We take up boy from the slum. Whereas nobody don't know him. Not even clothing blood clot girl them my friend used to give him. Passport. Driving license. My great. Move on a dirty blood clot. I want to sit down and make man manipulate, you know. Me don't want nobody by my side. The one wanna come suck me. Me look like me needing upon my blood clot side and me have God by my side. And I idiot. You know not hear me say. 200 and blood clot 40 had my blood pressure is and see me at Jamaica same blood clot we all know me have a headache. One I go tell me say no. Me say listen to them I got kill my blood clot self and fret over blood pressure. I got my blood pressure machine and this study. I'm full of Congo blood clot that God create me. The God make me and give me strength. Because I'm pure and clean. As cantankerous as me is. No can devour me. You see you, Momo? Remember when the girl said do it suck her pussy, the white girl. And you come and you say, me believe you cray. Cause cray not tell lie. I have do it doing a mockery. You see song we do I go do with it now I go nowhere. Me I telling her before and I sing it. On a covetous and a bad man. God not like ugly. You know from when me I tell my husband do one song for me? And I miss him right after Yvette Gate. And so Dwayne, I like your voice. Him never name Dwayne. Dewey. So when I stop near my pussy pad, I want to stop say Dewey. And when him change him name, I stain him. I stamp him, I scare him. I don't have to live. I don't know fuck when I call my blood clot name. Alright, you say him come. I'm say if you do music. And you sit down, oh, people boy pick. You know, say people boy pick, then punch on my jaw. Did he come and speak his truth? Upon the internet, him left me. And him run with the blood clot there when I beg the people them the backla water and for throw it upon him. Him run. Cause him want Batman blood clot cash when me there Jamaica now. At the same time me there Jamaica, you gonna kill me. Me ready for no kill me dirty blood clot. Cause it now done. And when me get the backla water, remember me just come out of hospital with the plaster, stinking blood clot, Momo. Got married to the way and give him triplet. Your papi show a blood clot. Who you think you can frighten? One fuck do we give you know want no more blood clot fuck out of do we and do we no want no more time. Move on a boring blood clot. You no can't trick me. A life me give that boy there. And all when him a impress you. And I go upon live Jojo. Remember you wear blood clot stocking for your birthday. I mean, so what you doing a stocking? Him say bleaching. No future Jamaica wear stocking. And Jojo class you. Batman, Mr. Scarlet. And Jojo done your dirty blood clot. And you know the house you ball like a blood clot girl. And who defend you? You come and live with Jojo. But Jojo, me not have nothing against you no mama. And them. Do me still a pray for you. Because I still love you. Because you're my husband. Me no want you. You make me shame she dead. You're a man. And you compete with me like you say period. Me shame you. So when me say don't no more take you up, me glad. So when you dep me not gonna regret. Remember before you come out, when me hear the youth say, here Puss now? She talk about money where she get away. All if me get away $1 million, him supposed to get it. Me and him bill. And whatever happen for blood clot happen, no can't make me feel nothing. Me not regret nothing what me do. You know what I regret? Oh, my husband is a traitor. And him can't say him is a blood clot traitor. I'm stabbing him in my back for nothing. You hear that? That me regret. We could have a difference. But you want to compete with me and put on blood clot pad. I make Momo clown you out. I'm a turn man. And you know, I like short, I go short. You know, watch me and me watch you know. But you don't have the guts to son to watch me. My people on a dirty blood clot. I'm telling you, I have a fake page. I'm just say, look how my husband come to. Do we don't even have clothes. Half a fan do we have. Do we don't even have a fan cover. And you don't even give me like a credit. And me if you sit down and fret by your mama. Mama go get where she go get her. You go get where your blood clot get her. If you to live happily ever after and she. Are you a soulmate? Are you a soulmate? Don't think you not disturb me. You know why? God heal me baby. TikTok. Thank God for blood clot TikTok. You don't see me on TikTok every minute. Me's at peace. Me joyful and me juicy and me a glow. Me no bad mind no. Me glad me get rid of you. So when you bantan me one side doing, still I wish you luck. Remember that Jeep here? When me buy it, I left it with you at Jamaica. My daughter sick in the hospital. You run away for 6 days with my 1,000 pound go to Westmoreland. Remember doing? And when your mother said, don't help him, take back your vehicle. See your mama will turn against me with you. Una is a vampire. See your mother come as a big woman. See one only people have done me. And she said she has somebody. And me and nobody. Mommy, why I go? Me send out the pastor because you want a piece of the attention. Una son no love internet. Una love every blood clot thing. But I me una no love. Me no care. And when me hear she said the one crazy. I tell people say she mind me. Mommy, she not mind you nor me. That's why I come call him Batman and done him. Me no know if you're Batman, but everybody call you Batman. And your mama the first blood clot one tell me say, I'm crazy. Why you put up the video? You know them say do you Batman. Me never blood clot know that. So me join the blood clot to your mother. Your M-O-T-H-R mother. And as a big woman with such a decent. See you saying a lap your fracture like what Miss Jane. Dwayne is not a man. No man compete with a woman. Dwayne and your wife shame you. So as horrible as me is, me is a woman and me will get away with it, Dwayne. You humiliate yourself to the world as a young man. And then want to blame me. And you record me as a young man. Every time you have conversation, you record it. You make your girl them listen. Your mother, your brother, you set them up against me and them sit down and them patronize you. Me no want nobody patronize me. You understand me? Me just can't pray for you because anything happen to you in your life, you're going to say me. The girl on here came on in a January when you're ready on a Devante yard. You don't have no abiding city. And when you're there at Devante yard, and you sing the song from the pussy to the mouth, you know, see it not going away. That's all you want to do is compete with me. And the girl, do you set my pussy and me, you walk and tell the girl, and say, me set up the girl for do it. I'm afraid that you do it. He's a manipulated, wicked little youth. And when me hear do it, step on the internet with Momo, I said to Momo, say, all the airports something in a them planet. What do you mean, them who planet? What do you mean? Must him. Because if me in the airport, me and you up on the plane, and me and you live as husband and wife. What do you mean them plan? Them who? And me and the brother said them planet and went kimono, all the kimono. Me I wonder where this girl come from and I say, I wonder if do we have sense? You the way you lose. From you tab me. For you look out my jaw the 19th of August, right on there, sir. And me tab you the 31st of August. Me no see you. You not talk to me and me not talk to you. Fake page. Me make her look you. And say, do you love you? I'm in love with you. I want to be in your life. And whatever I say to you. And you talk. And then when the sweet word lick you, say, call me back. Call me. Talk no man. I want to Puss come out of blood clot marriage life and allow the man make him go breed Momo and him and Momo go live happily. Cause life easy and nice. So they can't banter me. One of them come off of the internet to know. Auntie down in a real tone of blood clot because I don't want mad Queenie. You can't mad me coming to red eye people for them things. Back to the reading. 10 story me attacking I want. I wish for the reach. Yeah. I see a mother come. Before she said, do you come off of the live and not bother with that car? Think about the drunk how you give your name. And she come. Crazy now, remind me. Woman, me never blood clot talks to my mind you yet. Me big and bad and bowl are awful. Remember when you come down at the 2 December, the December ago you borrow this. And you scratch up the blood clot rims. And you never buy no tire put on it. I mean, not care. Because it was my mother-in-law. And it doesn't matter. So when you want proof, say you have one whole heap of million, you're terrible and awful like blood clot me. Your son always said, don't compete no blood clot picture like me, the worst blood clot bitch pan God earth. You hear that? When you take on a son, I want to get no freedom and leave me. Leave blood clot me because somebody I got dead enough. On a low blood clot. Me. And a joke me I making up. And I'm not satisfied. Leave me the fuck alone. I don't want to do it. Do is a fucking jackass. You hear that? Do we prefer to go through the worst with everybody? And don't even look for me. Let me a blood clot idiot. And leave me now, man. Ma'am, think. Leave me now. You understand me? Enough is blood clot. It's low blood clot me. When am I gonna get it in on a thick head? I've been dumped and I'm getting on with my life. Me nah make no problem with nobody. Leave me the fuck alone. You understand me? Low blood clot me, man. Me not prove to nobody if me can't get no man. Me no want no blood clot, man. Me want my cantankerous self. I'm a proud of myself. You hear that? And me not sit down and wait for no karma. More you live your life and allow me. More you make your riches and allow blood clot me. You know how much beg you do one song with me? Then you think you're Momo. Oh man, do it. That is song I make the money. You know I make no blood clot money. Money at the root of all evil. You see real? And you see love conquer it all. I'm real, I'm a pure. Anything I do it from my heart. All when me talk about it 100 blood clot time. I still do it from my heart. Me no have regrets. You see if me a papi show, I'm a proud blood clot papi show. That's the strength of the queen. But I'm not proud of what I do. So when me sooner know and you have the man, I take him turn in a papi show, I turn him in a girl a lap fractal. Me can't jealous. Maybe if you have like a standard and quality comparing to me, it would have rock and nerves. Me just sit down and say, God help to do it. I wish you no good and all the best. Momo, when you're there on live, I hate somebody there on your life. You have to use my rubbish. Forget 200 odd people. Go over TikTok and put in my name. And so much vice over me. I beat me to blood clot. That's why you hear me telling her, no, when me don't know, I can't do that. Me great. Boy, people just sit down and just want to sniff out my ears, my arm, my nose, and me just taste and just easy, so. Many are called and few are blood clot chosen when he was the chosen. Like I'm saying, change the June plum tree there. Tell him change do it. Move on a papi show blood clot. Me stain you. Everywhere me go, them just have to do it. Until the day my blood clot dead. When I have to sniff out my dirty blood clot sniff out. And me make that. Me, build blood clot that. All of who you see him take the number them and hide and done me with. And me make him know blood clot them. Because you see the look of them where him know never work, never rate blood clot him. And them still not rate him. Move on a blood clot. I come talk about my call do a Batman. None of blood clot who no know who a Batman unless I wanna fuck. Who for fuck. Everybody more nasty and disrespectful in them own blood clot man. But no fun of it and typing. Make them milk could have want blood clot the way my class blood clot the way and tell do about the ice. Him no lie me I tell. Yeah, ice out my pussy. Yeah, walk and discriminate my old blood clot pussy where you love and itch up blood clot in and move your dirty blood clot and go fuck out no more liquor pussy. Allow my big wagga blood clot pussy. But you want discriminate, big woman will take care of you. And Georgia! You're there on the team. You forget blood clots. One lollipop piss tail girl. How you think you look as a young man? May I ask you? My father ball. Your father not ball. Sister say he's a mama blood clot, ma'am. Mama man. Stabbing the blood clot back. Judas. You're Lucifer. Move your blood clot. You're not happy pussy wall. I trick the blood clot crowd. You see what conscience? The wall we have it. You can't blood clot happy car mew. She have to live off of my blood clot shit for impress me. For the day on the dead enough for impress blood clot me. Me not for impress you know. And it's on the part, me not call her name. Them name, I still me. I still my story. I still my blood clot husband. It's all about the fucking queen. Let's just sound have no sense. Hate somebody up on our Instagram. Chef recruit. My rubbish. My great. Build the blood clot, man. And turn him in a man. And that's if you do. And stop banting me and clown out the man. You hear that? All when them listen to your short song 100 times, do you're bad man. And you fight me. We help you and stand up for you. And mama, you know me yet? When the people them come up to me and ask her if she can take a picture with me, that is respect. But because you don't have none for me, nobody have no respect. So all that you hate me for? Because one of my fans asked the question, me can't take a picture with your husband? The things that you go up on the internet go talk, it just look like one blood clot, Miss Liza. And mew. Blue book, you sound like one girl. I'm a man and you're the girl. Blue book, you're blue book pussy. You can't go America until you divorce my fool, because them can't file for you unless them file for me. Stop making yourself being a fucking clown. Make bitches clown you out. And think you hurt me, because me want you. All your baby mother will get the blood clot jacket shade on my move on a blood clot. Go do a DNA with your blood clot jacket, son. Move your blood clot, but you come tell girl about me call your son jacket. Me know if your son a blood clot jacket, my mouth bother you this blood clot, me hold me down in the blood clot bed. And thump me up a there. You come tell people about me abuse you. Me abuse you how? Me rough. But me not abuse your bumble wall. You come record and I send to blood clot, girl. You want wicked little dirty old boy. When you sit down and you cook me up. Remember the first time I tell you suck your mother when me there in England, you know. And when you thief the Jeep for the 6 days, you know. And one girl message me from Canada and say, your husband is looking me. And send me the message. And I said, do it. I say, you desperate? And you didn't now answer me. I'm start cuss you. You record me. I make your brother and your mother listen. That's just when you're in the relationship. Remember the whole heap of thing them where you do. You come and play a blood clot victim but me abuse you. Me do what? And you beat me up a there. You don't tell them that time I cuss about Simone blood clot ads. And I say you do free ads to Simone. And when I say you top me up to pussy clot, I say move your blood clot because I tell you to do it, call it message your son. Remember all your son you eat me for cause not even tell me can't tell if you send your son. True no eat blood clot me. Not even one little advice me can't give about your little baby when birthday born yesterday. Move your blood clot when me want you for the what? For come back come kill me. And when you go to Canada, I'm call up on the fake page, you know? Crazy me now ask Christ, you know, me that kill you, and I say, what? And the man repeat it, and I say, you that gonna kill me, me just come out of hospital and you drag me up, you that gonna kill me, and I ask Christ? I'm afraid of you. So when you, what's, woof. One you don't understand. Me give you a message, son. You see father where you say a ball? Him for ball. A whole heap of ball, my ball to you and tell me I go jump off a house top. You tell me say I see me so Trisha is the ball and you know look pan her. But you can't come on internet, come look sympathy to make me look bad. To say all your father ball. Your father supposed to blood clot ball cause him shame you as a young man. You see the way how me shame how you do me? Me don't even want my eye rest by it's only the one side of both. Oh, me no want to see them. It work both ways, darling. I'm afraid of you, I'm shame of you, I'm a loser for you. You learn that. So in a year sense, so you feel like say, me graduate. Me could have graduated when me involved with you fucking how much in blood clot, girl. Me say in a blood clot war, me sell my soul with you a long time. I feel like it would make it better. You think it was nice the way you, how much in girl anger blood clot? None of the girl me want him. All you see my show up there Canada, then you there Canada, brother Mark. And look what you have to take. Moo. Sound so desperate. She should have reached Canada already and you never fly the blood clot world. Put me to the test. Looking at him passport, how much start my game? And beat blood clot that. How much trip? Beat blood clot that then an argument. They're not hungry no blood clot. Two blind blood clot mice. I who not try trick. Got build life, man. Move on a little dirty blood clot self and build life and build on the owner brand and stop suck out my blood clot. You hear that? Come off from my blood clot here, man. Fly go blood clot Canada and I live on a blood clot life and love blood clot me. You know, go man. I'm not impressing you now. No, you don't have to impress me. Yeah, back to the mother now. Do we come to England? The first thing do we do, I chat me with my friend. Oh, me I call him out in a call. And I say, that brother, you stay. But husband. You see, if the man did stand by me as me stand by him, all him want to do, I do beer problem and then walk, video me, record me.